Coming to event, an event can be defined as the certain set of outcomes of an experiment. So for example, here as we have considered in the left hand side, we have considered the example of rolling a die once. So on rolling a die once, we will have 6 possible outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, if we roll a die twice, we will have 36 possible outcomes as mentioned in the right hand side of the slides. So we will take a small example where we have considered A, B and C as some events and each denoting some form of events. They are describing an event. So as we can see, as I have written in black marker, if A is an event where sum of two outcomes of two rolls is equals to 4. So what are those events in that random experiment of rolling a die twice? As you can see in the right hand side, we have 36 possible outcomes. So check out of all these 36 possible outcomes, which outcomes when you add it up, it will give you 4. So if we go one by one, this will give you 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly, 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And that's it. These are the 3 possible events out of these possible outcomes. So we write 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1. I believe there is no much answer for this question. Yes, these are the 3 possible outcomes that satisfy this particular event. Now coming to the second event where the outcomes of two rolls are identical. So for that we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So we have outcome starting from 1, 1 to 6, 6 satisfying this particular event. Similarly, for the third event as an example, the first roll was bigger than the second one. So in this case, what will be the possible answer is, we can see in the first row as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all numbers are greater than 1. So it does not satisfy this event C. If we see the second row, we have this as a possible outcome. For the third row, we will have this as a possible outcome. Similarly, for the fourth row, we will have these 3 outcomes. Fifth row will have these 3 outcomes. And sixth row will have these 3 outcomes. As we can clearly see, the first instant outcome is greater than the second one in all these blue marked events. So it will have 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 5. So as a whole, we have 3 possible outcomes satisfying event A, we have 6 possible outcomes satisfying event B, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 possible outcomes satisfying event C. So this concludes the explanation for what's an event.